Today, we're diving into a fascinating inquiry that often perplexes many. Is grass a vegetable? Now, this might seem like a simple yes or no question, but trust me, it's a bit more complex than that. Let's unpack this intriguing topic together. First, let's define what a vegetable is. Typically, vegetables are parts of plants consumed by humans or animals as food. This broad definition includes leaves, stems, roots, flowers, bulbs, and seeds. With this in mind, we can start to explore where grass fits into this category. Now, when most people think of grass, they picture lawns and playing fields, but it's essential to distinguish between different types of grass. There's the grass in your yard, and then there are grasses like wheat, rice, corn, oats, barley, and rye. These are known as cereal grains and are indeed considered vegetables in the sense that they're plants cultivated for food. Interestingly, the grass you have in your yard is technically a member of the Poaceae family, just like these cereal grains. However, when we talk about vegetables in a culinary or nutritional context, we're usually referring to plants that provide a significant amount of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients when consumed. Yard grass, although technically edible, doesn't provide substantial nutritional value when eaten by humans. It's primarily composed of cellulose, which humans can't digest properly. Moreover, considering grass as a vegetable from a culinary standpoint is quite a stretch. Vegetables are prized for their flavor, texture, and nutritional content, traits that common lawn grass doesn't notably possess. However, there are instances where certain grass species or young grass shoots, like wheatgrass, are consumed for their nutritional benefits, thus blurring the lines a bit. That said, if we're discussing grass in the context of being a garden vegetable or a staple in human diets, the answer leans more towards no. Grass typically is not considered a vegetable in the conventional sense. Its primary role in ecosystems and human use is far from what we expect from our typical vegetables. In conclusion, is grass a vegetable? While all grasses are part of the plant kingdom and certain types are crucial for culinary and nutritional purposes, most grass types, like the ones in our lawns, don't fit the traditional definition of a vegetable due to their lack of nutritional value and culinary use for humans. However, the question showcases the fascinating diversity and complexity within the plant world and our relationship with it. Thank you for watching. The exploration of what constitutes a vegetable invites us to look more closely at the plants around us and consider their roles in our diets and ecosystems. Whether it's grass or any other plant, understanding these distinctions enriches our appreciation of nature's bounty. Happy exploring!